I'm Dr. Ho, teach TESOL like a pro.
Ready to spin some fun into your English class? Join Dr. Ho for the Inside Outside Circles activity and get those conversations rolling. Step 1. Make a circle. I will count you off. In, out, in, out, in, out. Inside students, come to the front and form a circle. Okay, outside students, please come and stand facing an inside partner. Step 2. Practice the conversation. Inside students, you are the hotel receptionist. Outside students, you are the guests checking into the hotel. Use your card to start the conversation. Go! Inside students, stay put. Outside students, take a step to your right and swap cards with your new partner. Step 4. Practice the conversation. New partner, new question. Go!
My name is Wen.